This table saw safety set combines a taper jig, push blocks, and push sticks into a single kit that meaningfully improves control around spinning blades. The aluminum taper jig feels rigid yet light, and its clearly marked angle scale makes repeatable tapered cuts on legs and other workpieces much easier to dial in. Adjustable rails and a reversible layout let you run the jig on either side of the blade, which is especially helpful for both right-handed and left-handed users. The long and short push blocks give you a solid, non-slip grip on boards so your hands stay comfortably away from cutters during jointing, routing, and ripping tasks. Both the straight and V-shaped push sticks excel when working with narrow stock, allowing you to feed materials smoothly through the cut without sacrificing precision. Taken together, the pieces in this set cover most day-to-day operations on table saws, router tables, bandsaws, and jointers, making it a practical upgrade for shop safety.